Hello friends and welcome to excelblogging.com. In this video I will show you the best 30 useful Excel shortcuts that make you work very fast and save your time. The first 4 shortcuts are about the cell borders. If you have multiple columns and rows and large amount of data, you can go to a first row by double clicking on the upper border of the cell. You can go to a last cell by double clicking on the bottom border. You can go to right by double clicking on the right. You can go to left by double clicking on the left border. You can go to the leftmost cell by the shortcut key, press home button. You want to go to the first cell, control home. You want to go to next worksheet, press control page up, and for the previous worksheet, control page down. For selecting a cell, you can click on that cell. For selecting multiple cells, control click on the cells, multiple cells will be selected. For selecting the adjacent cells, shift and click down to select the cells down to the selected cells. Shift click the upper cells to select the upper cells, and the same with the right cells and left cells. You can use arrow key as well. Shift arrow key will select multiple cells. Control shift will select the whole cells above the selected cells, and the control shift down arrow key will select the entire cells below the selected cells, and control shift right arrow key will select the right side cells, and control shift left arrow key will select the left cells. To select the current area, press Ctrl A. To change the current area to table, press Ctrl T. To add a column, click on column heading and press Ctrl plus button. To delete the selected column, press Ctrl minus. To create new row, click on row heading and press Ctrl plus. To delete the selected row, press Ctrl minus. To hide a column, press Ctrl 0. To hide any row, press Ctrl 9. To unhide the hidden row, press Ctrl Shift 9. To go to next previous worksheet, press Ctrl page down, and to go to next worksheet, press Ctrl page up. To duplicate worksheet, Ctrl and drag the worksheet. Copy of that worksheet will be created. Drag and cut any cell and paste in another cell. Just drag to make a copy of this. Control drag. To copy cell values from a worksheet to another worksheet, select and alt drag to another worksheet. To paste as values, select and right click drag. There will be option copy here as values only. F2 is used to edit cell values. Now it is in edit mode. You can add anything. For AutoSum, press Alt equal and enter. For the current date, press Control semicolon and Control Shift semicolon for the current time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks.